I'm currently in this gold trade now. We're up 149. So this is a basic supply and demand setup basically. I'm looking to get around about here. So we'll just see how far this can push. Just enter the trade now. Trade is looking good so far. Loving gold recently. Gold has not failed me recently, I'll tell you. Gold has been bay recently, so I'm hoping it keeps up that same momentum though. Only thing that can maybe cause this trade not to win is that right now we are at a 15-minute demand, 15-minute zone. Alright, so if we take a look at like the 15, we can see that there was previously a supply that happened here that broke these lows. This is on the 1 hour, and if you look at it on the 30-minute, same thing, and same thing again on the 15-minute. So we're hoping this can break through, but if you do look at the 5 though, then we can see that we have been forming higher highs so far on the 5s. The EMA is also right at the bottom. You can't see on here, but the EMA is at the bottom right here. So we're just hoping that price does hold right here and keep going up. If we can break these highs, then I think we're going to be clear. If we can just break these highs, then we're pretty much good. I'm not liking this rejection wick right now. So there's actually news at 1:30. The time's currently 1:15. So this is a super risky setup, actually. It's super risky. Okay, so I do like that rejection and the way it closed there. Oof. Super close to stop loss there. Super close. Alright, now we've got the volume that we need. Probably gonna close this just before news, if anything, but we'll just see how far we can get. Hey, right now this is holding on to its dear life. Boy, it's either the 5 minutes gonna win basically, or the 15-minute supply. Guess we're just gonna have to see. But I don't really want that low to get broken. I might be in trouble if that happens. Damn. Fair play. Oh, this is the kind of volume I'm liking, boy. I could close anytime from now, to be fair. If I hit TP? No, I'm trying to get a 1 to 2, but we've got news in 9 minutes. So I have 7 minutes left before news, so this trade's got to be done before that. So literally one more candle, and that is it. The moment it clocks a few minutes before 1:30, we're going to be out of this trade. I don't see this trade losing, but news could make it turn the other way around, so I'm just not going to risk it. And that volume looks good. Volume looks good. Volume looks good. Alright, it's currently 125. Oof. I'm gonna have to close the trade any moment from now. I want to see what the next candle is gonna do. The volume of this still looks good, so we're up 760, 500 now. We're very close to TP. Come on, break that high. Five minutes left. We have closed above this high though, but I don't really want this to come and fill this gap first before going up, because they ain't really got time for that. The bare minimum I want to close this at 500 at least. 500 in a day ain't too shabby. It's currently 126. If I can get to 1k before that time, probably gonna close this. That rejection looks good. Okay, come on, there we go. We're up 800. 3 minutes left. Come on, ain't no way. Ain't no way. I know for facts there's no way I'm losing this trade. I know that for sure. It's just about how much we can get before news, and I'm not gonna risk it with news. News can spack down here, stop me out, and start doing its thing. I ain't doing that today. Come on, just a little bit more push. I don't think it's gonna get here. It's just not giving me that kind of vibes right now. Yeah, man. Is it worth risking news though? I don't know. I'm already in this trade. I couldn't move it to break even, but for sure I know that would get stopped out. For facts at break even. Got 2 minutes left. What would you lot do in this situation? Would you cut this? Would you leave? I've got 2 minutes. Okay, what I might do? I'm gonna close 2 positions. We literally got 1 minute left. I'm gonna close 2 positions and then leave one. So we'll see what the last one does. The last one I don't mind risking. Now it's not moving as much anymore. You can see the volume's about to kick in. Should I move just to break even though? I'll probably move it slightly higher. Just like I feel like the most I should do is fill this gap, just so we can at least cut a loss a little bit. But moving into break even will definitely get stopped out. So I'll just get ready to close if anything. We'll see. All right. So it's currently 130. Oh. Okay, we're in drawdown. Only by 133. All right, so we lost that on that. So I guess it's a good thing we left. Yeah, we'll call it there. I guess we made about, what's that, probably less than 5. I'm 400 basically. Now with this trade setup, it pretty much was supply and demand setup, but there were a few things that I was worried about. So here's the setup. We can see on the 5 minute, they are pretty much breaking highs. Now this high was broken, and as well as I guess you can see this high was also broken. So we're breaking highs to the upside, but overall you can see that there is this downwards trend that's basically happening right here. But what I was looking at was, number one, on the 15 minute now we can see that there is this zone right here. So to be fair, right, this is basically sells. So you'll be looking to get up here and you're gonna sell because they broke structure here. They also broke this structure right here. So this is pretty much screaming sells on the upper time frame, as well as the 30 minutes, as well as the 1 hour. So this is like a super risky setup to take. But when I went down to the 5 minute now, there was one other confluence that I needed. Now the EMA is literally sitting right at the bottom of this right now, and later on I was able to see that this happened. So obviously they broke this high as well, so we've got a break of structure. It's tapped into the 15-minute zone now. It even pushed up even more. Then this rejection happened. Now at this point, this is 105 and there is news at exactly 130. So this is a high risk setup. So I would have taken this trade. It's either I took the sell or I took the buy. Now if I took the sell, then this would have been the case. It would have been a nice setup like this, and this would have been, you know, the going out here. So this would have been a pretty nice trade. You could have either taken a sell or a buy, to be fair, either or, right? Sell or the buy, that would have been almost like a 1 to 2. And this is also another setup. Now I took the buy just because the EMA is at the bottom and we're also pushing up to the upside, and we got the entry that we needed. As soon as we got the break of candle, boom, I was in this trade, and I was looking to take it up to here basically. I no longer really cared about this for now anyway, just because I'm scalping this. This is going to be like a quick in and out. Now I was looking to get out around here, right around this point. Probably should have played it safer, but I was looking to get out around here basically, and we got the push we need. And at this point, this is basically 120. Now the rest is kind of risky really. So what would have probably been better is just leaving as soon as this happened, right? Nice and simple, taking our money and call it a day. But obviously it's still good overall, you know, profitable. Overall we came out in profit regardless, so it's still good that we secured our money. But the overall time frame is basically still winning. That was just a quick scalp. If you went out here, you're pretty much done. But of course the overall time frame was still, I guess, going to win overall. So we can see that now the 1 hour is pushing back down. But pretty much a bread and butter setup. You could have taken a sell, you could have taken the buy, you could have taken this overall 15-minute sell to the downside as well. Literally either or would have worked in this situation. So I didn't actually send this into the Discord just because it was super risky. Anyone that was too slow, you missed it by 1 second, you can lose money. So it wasn't worth sending it into the academy. But if you do want to join the academy and take more trades like I am, or learn exactly how I'm taking these trades, use these trades as confluences for yourself, then be sure to check the link down in the description below. Everything you need will be down there for you. I'll be sure to DM me as well, and I'll be sure to fill you in on everything you need to know. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.